In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dynamically change groups in Monday.com. Whether you're a project manager or simply a team member looking to organize your tasks more effectively, learning to customize your views in Monday.com can be quite a game changer. So let's dive in and get started with these straightforward steps. First, you're going to want to go to the Monday.com website. It's a good idea to bookmark it if you're using it regularly, as this can save a bit of time. From there, locate the login option, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here you have the choice to either sign in with your Google account or manually type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. This provides flexibility, especially if you're in an office environment where you might switch between devices. If you prefer using your Google account, go ahead and select the email address you'll be working with. This option can be more convenient, especially for those who appreciate the single sign-on functionality. Once you're signed in, it's time to head to the specific board where you want to make changes. Navigate to the board by either searching for it or locating it within your dashboard. Now that you're on the correct board, it's time to dynamically rearrange groups. To begin, you'll want to look for the Group By drop-down button at the top of your board. Clicking this will reveal all of the different columns that you can choose from for grouping your tasks or items. This is where Monday.com shines with its flexibility. Enhance your workflow by selecting the column that best matches your current need, whether it's a date, status, or any other parameter that makes sense for your project. For example, if you decide you want to group items by clients, simply select the relevant column from the drop-down, and your board will adjust accordingly, offering a new perspective on your data. Once you've found an arrangement that works well, consider saving it as a new view. This way you'll easily be able to return to this configuration without repeating the setup process. On the other hand, if you ever need to remove the group settings for a more raw data view, you can do so by clicking Group By again and selecting Clear. This will reset the board's grouping to how it was initially. So there you have it, a quick way to dynamically change groupings in Monday.com. Customizing your board views can lead to improved productivity and help you keep track of tasks more efficiently. Try this out and you'll likely find you're better organized and more efficient in managing your projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your digital workspaces.